Sorry, can't talk to you. I'm relaxing. So, you know how we've been in quarantine for a really long time? Well, I did what any normal person would do. I online shopped. But I didn't just shop for anything. I shopped for the craziest products sold for women online. And we're going to try them out today. So the gist here is that all these products have been specifically designed and created to address a woman's needs. Do we need them? No. Do we think we need them? Absolutely. Are we gonna try them out today? Yes. Am I excited? No. So the products we're gonna be trying out today are a smile maker, this weird contraption that goes around your face, a towel bra, facial fitness massage tool, muscles training, wand jaw exercise facial thing, which surprisingly was endorsed by a very famous soccer player. And lastly, we're gonna be trying out a steam eye mask. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing that we're gonna try out is this smile maker, and it says here that the smile maker stretches the muscles on the lips, and this could help you to have a brighter smile. I generally think that I have a nice smile. I mean, it's not the best, but it's decent. It gets the point across. I have different smiles for different looks, for different feelings. This is how I smile when I like you. This is how I smile when you have food. And this is how I smile when someone says a joke that really isn't that funny, but they think it is, and I have to be nice and just smile. It's in the eyes more than it is in the mouth. But apparently, people need to train themselves how to smile, and this is the contraption that's going to do it. Do I look happy now? So I obviously don't think that I'm gonna see the effects right away, and I really feel like I wasted my money on this. Maybe if like someone gave me a really stupid comment, this would come in handy. Nanamok lagi ka day. Oo, tita. Oo. And then it would come in handy. But otherwise, who would spend money on this? Me. I spent money on it. So now let's try out the facial fitness tool. It comes with a thing where you stick your mouth in. It also comes with different weights, and it comes with these little diamond studs. You look older if your muscles around your mouth are weak. Facial exercises tools enables you to strengthen these muscles to improve this problem. First of all, I don't really see anything wrong with looking older. A lot of people, especially among women, are told that you're not supposed to look old, but I kind of just think of aging as like something that's gonna happen eventually. If you want to prolong it, sure, that's great, but I kind of don't think that a woman should feel like they shouldn't look their age or are scared to look old. I hate it when people say, "Uy, tiguangan ni mugnang." Like, oh, well, it's kind of what happens. So the first step is to put it in your mouth, shake your head up and down, and then keep it in between your lips or something like that. Come on, let's do it. This is very complicated, and I have a preference of things that I would like to put in my mouth and make an up and down or swinging motion with, and this is not it. I don't like it. I refuse to put this in my mouth any longer. I spent like 20 minutes on it. I hate this. Why did I buy this? So this is a no for me. And may I never have to see this thing ever again.
Not today, Satan. Not today.
Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna try out is this little sauna mask that is meant to make your face thinner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this thing on my face. There's a lot of resistance. Where do your eyes go? Mugawas akong pagkabatig-batasan ani nga video eh. Even the girl in the picture doesn't look like she's happy to have this in her face. Guess I have to wear this for 30 minutes. And I really hate that we feel that we need to wear this in order to be prettier, instead of just owning that, you know, our faces are shaped differently. I hate it already. It hurts my fucking face. It's making me cranky. This is not a fun video.
few moments later.
It's finally time to take off the mask. Wow. Okay. Alimuot gidi ay. Do I feel like my face has gotten smaller? No, because we didn't do it before and after because it doesn't matter. I don't really have a lot to say about this other than I would only use this as a costume and not because I wanted to make my face skinnier. I just I don't care about it. So it's a no for me. The next thing that we are going to try out is the steam eye mask, and this one I'm actually interested in. This one I think is very promising. I have to like at least one thing in this review, right? And I think this is the one. If you're someone like me who usually gets dry, tired eyes, I think this is gonna be swell. Oh wow, it looks like a giant band-aid. Oh my god, it's heating up! It's heating up! And I'm just supposed to leave it here for 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit here for the next 20 minutes and let you guys know what I think. I love things that make me feel relaxed. And I like it especially when I do these things and I don't have this thought at the back of my mind that I'm doing this because I want to look a certain way because I constantly get teased for this, or because I'm constantly told that I'm a certain way. I often say this a lot, that I really think that the beauty industry would have a very narrow market or would have a very hard time if women just realized how beautiful they were. I think the beauty industry would be a lot better if we stopped supporting certain narratives that white is bright or slim is in, or ideas that honestly don't really make a lot of sense. There are things about yourself that you can't change, like let's say the shape of your face or how long your legs are or the way that you smile. I think that you don't really have to change it, and that's why things like this really frustrate me. But this is great and I absolutely love it, and I'm gonna stock up on like 10 of these.
Few moments later.
These are coming off, but also wow. Wow. If you've never tried these in your entire life, what are you waiting for? You must. The next time I am stressed out, I'm just gonna pop one of these bad boys in, put them on my face, and it'll just be like, sorry, can't talk to you, I'm relaxing. So the next product that we are gonna try out are these boob towels. There's no other way to describe it, guys. It's a boob towel. It's a towel for your boobs. I don't know if this is gonna be useful for myself, but I can imagine a couple of my girlfriends who would gladly love this. Ta-da! How do I feel about them? I guess they're cute. I guess they're useful. I guess they work. So we're gonna have to zoom it in because like I'm really uncomfortable right now. And I could just flash you at any minute. But you know, I think that if my breasts were a little bit bigger, then my boobs would really appreciate these Tata towels a whole lot more. It's like a scarf. It's like a scarf for your boobs. That's what this feels like.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So there you have it, Bayhanas. I tried out the craziest products sold for women on the internet. I think I've shared a lot of my sentiments, but the one thing that I really want to relay out there is that you don't need all these crazy products to look beautiful. You are beautiful. And if you're surrounded by people that constantly judge you and tell you that you'd be prettier if you look like this, if your face was shaped like this, you know, just stupid things would make you prettier, then you're surrounded by the wrong people, and you might want to check that. And if you're not there yet, I do hope, and I am cheering on for you, that one day you will reach a point where you can look at yourself in the mirror and realize how beautiful you are.
You're perfect, you're beautiful, you look like Linda Evangelista, you're a model.
These are just ways to get you to spend your hard-earned money on things that you don't actually need. So why spend on it anyways? But to be honest, I think I'm the only person who actually spent good money on all these stuff. So, huwag tularan. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't make me do this again. If you're not a part of the Bayhana Community Group yet, what are you waiting for? Let's have discussions, Bayhanas, because healthy discussions are always welcome discussions. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I'm Issa, please. And for more videos like this, make sure that you're following BayTV and Bayhana on YouTube. Don't forget, knowledge is power. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!